Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Jack's Magic O2 Safe Shock. What is Jack's Magic O2 Safe Shock? Jack's Magic O2 Safe Shock Stain Solution Number 3 gives pool owners a way to shock their pool without adding chlorine, making it perfect for ozone, ionization, and biguanide-sanitized pools. Its unique formula is neither chlorine nor monopersulfate (MPS) based and introduces 12% more active oxygen than competing MPS shocks. This makes it more effective at killing off bacteria and other organic compounds from your pool, and can even be used as a pre-treatment for acid washing your pool free of copper stains. Product benefits. Formula is neither chlorine nor monopersulfate (MPS) based, so it shocks pools without having to add chlorine. Effective at killing off bacteria and other organic compounds from your pool. Can even be used as a pre-treatment for acid washing your pool free of copper stains. Dosage: 5 pounds per 10,000 gallons of water. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.